Tonight, you'll meet 50 wild Amazon species, each one shaping the rainforest's living machine. Giant otters hunt in teams, turning quiet rivers into fast, coordinated fish chases. Pups learn through play. Every tumble rehearses the teamwork that keeps them alive. Where otters thrive, and the river still holds enough fish to feed an entire family. Pink dolphins navigate murky rivers with echolocation. Sound becomes their map.
Young botos start gray, slowly blushing pink as they mature.
They hunt fish and crustaceans and help keep aquatic food webs in balance. Giant armadillos excavate termite cities, reshaping the rainforest floor every night. Their burrows become shelters and secret rooms, used later by many other species. Built like armor, it still disappears. One of the Amazon's most elusive engineers.
Bush dogs hunt in packs, short legs, big teamwork, turning jungle trails into ambush routes. Unlike most canids, bush dogs love water streams become their hunting lanes. Rare and secretive bush dogs survive through tight family bonds and relentless cooperation.
Amazonian manatees graze underwater plants, quietly shaping river habitats from below the surface.
Calves draft beside mothers, learning safe routes through flooded forests and quiet backwater channels.
One breath at a time, they remind you, the Amazon's calm is alive and watching.
Our turtles nest on open sand. One season can decide a generation's survival.
Hatchlings race the gauntlet seconds, decide whether the river ever knows their names.
Slow to mature, and these turtles suffer most when nesting beaches shrink or disappear.
Jaguars ambush with silence, camouflage, patience, then a burst of unstoppable strength.
Melanism turns rosettes into shadows, and same apex hunter, deeper camouflage in the rainforest.
In flooded forests, jaguars stalk the water's edge, built to hunt, where land becomes river.
Harpy eagles wield talons like grappling hooks, built to seize prey from the canopy.
That first wing beat is pure force, an aerial predator powered by muscle and mass. When harpies glide here, it means old Grouth giants still stand to hold their nests.
Anacondas hunt with stillness water, hides a living coil until it's too late.
Muscle waves drive every inch, silent power, moving through mud like liquid.
Constrictors win by controlled pressure and patience, not speed. Electric eels breathe air, surfacing often where the water holds almost no oxygen.
A hidden pulse can stun prey instantly. Electricity used as a hunting tool.
It's a master of bioelectric power defense and hunting built into one body. Sloths live slow on purpose. Energy saved is survival in a leaf-powered life.
Algae grows in their fur camouflage that turns a mammal into part of the tree.
A baby learns patience first. Every movement measured, every grip a lesson.
The Hoatzin eats leaves, not fruit, an odd bird built for fermentation.
Its gut ferments leaves like a ruminant, nature's strangest way to fly.
Hoatzin chicks have wing claws, an ancient trait that helps them climb to safety.
Macaws fly in pairs, loud voices and bright feathers built for lifelong bonds. That beak is a tool cracking seeds that many animals can't access. At clay licks, macaws take minerals, nature's pharmacy, on the river's edge.
Ocelots rule the night. Small cats with stealth strong enough to shape the forest's balance. Those patterns break its outline, turning a hunter into moving bark and shadow. One pause can be lethal. Ocelots hunt with patience, measured in heartbeats.
Tappers spread seeds across miles, quiet gardeners shaping what the forest becomes next.
Tapirs swim like tanks, using rivers as highways and escape routes through dense jungle.
Tapir calves wear spots like starlight camouflage that hides them in broken forest shadows.
Howlers roar across kilometers, sound that marks territory without wasting energy on fights.
Leaf eating keeps them slow,
and their travel spreads seeds through the canopy.
Their tails are a fifth limb, turning the canopy into a living highway.
Jaguarundis run low and fast, built for surprise attacks in tight jungle corridors.
Different coat, same strategy, silent stalking, then a lightning quick grab. A flexible hunter, it thrives where forest meets open ground, surviving change.
That oversized bill is a reach tool, grabbing fruit from branches others can't. Toucans fly in short bursts, hopping the canopy like stepping stones. Every fruit meal becomes forest renewal seeds carried and scattered far from the parent tree. Caimans wait like living traps, stillness hiding a predator just beneath the surface. Sunbasking isn't laziness, it's temperature control for a cold-blooded hunter.
One-tail sweep is pure propulsion, built to strike fast in narrow channels.
Piranhas move in schools safer together, sharper senses watching every direction. Those teeth are real tools, built for cutting, scavenging, and fast survival decisions.
They're cleaners too, recycling what dies, keeping the river from choking on decay.
Capuchins use tools on stone, on nut, turning problem-solving into daily survival. They talk with calls and gestures, and social intelligence, keeping the troop one step ahead.
Every fruit meal spreads seeds. Capuchins help rebuild the rainforest as they travel.
Poison dart frogs, worn with color-bright skin, says don't even try.
Near water, they lay eggs. Life beginning in miniature pools hidden under leaves.
Tiny predators too. Dart frogs hunt small insects, linking the forest flora's food web.
Spider monkeys fly through trees, tail as a fifth hand, gravity as a tool. Up here, one grip is everything. Spider monkeys read the canopy like a map. Their foraging moves, seeds far canopy feeders that quietly shape the next forest.
Blue morphos flash like mirrors, color that appears, disappears, and confuses predators.
Folded shut, the blue disappears, and camouflage turns a jewel into bark. Feeding on fruit and minerals, they recycle nutrients. Small wings, big ecological work.
Leaf cutters don't eat leaves, and they carry them to feed a fungus farm underground.
Each cut is precise engineering, tiny jaws, shaping the rainforest's hidden agriculture.
Their tunnels aerate soil ants that quietly build healthier ground for plants.
Pygmy marmosets are the world's smallest monkeys and miniature primates in giant trees.
They harvest tree sap, gouging bark, then sipping energy from the forest itself.
The pygmy marmoset, smallest of all monkeys, relies on its family for survival.
Giant centipedes patrol the forest floor, fast, armored, and built for ambush. Venom claws do the work. Proof the Amazon's smallest predators can be the fiercest.
After rain, centipedes surge legs like waves, hunting in the humid dark.
Glass frogs hide on leaves, translucent skin revealing a living anatomy lesson.
In the rain, their throats pulse like metronomies, quiet life above rushing water.
Eggs hang above water when they hatch. The stream carries the next chapter.
By day, potus vanish feathers and posture, turning a bird into a branch. At night, those wide eyes hunt. One snap, then silence returns. Its call haunts the canopy, proof the Amazon's night has its own language.
The royal flycatcher hides a crown, revealed in an instant for display. Aerial hunter launch, snap return, keeping insect numbers in check.
Their nests hang near water, delicate architecture in a forest that never rests.
Golden lion tamarins glow in sunlight, tiny primates with a mane like fire.
Family is survival. Grooming strengthens bonds that keep them safe in the canopy.
Their fruit runs scatter seeds, tiny bodies, helping the rainforest regrow.
Giant anteaters open termite fortresses, then vacuum insects with a tongue like tape. A tongue faster than sight, and thousands of insects gathered in minutes, not hours.
That tail is a blanket shade, warmth and camouflage while it patrols for nests. Arapaima gulp air, ancient giants surviving where oxygen runs thin.
Those scales are armor designed to resist bites in crowded Amazon waters.
Capybaras gather in families, river life built on safety in numbers.
Built for water, capybaras stay half-hidden, slipping away the moment danger arrives.
Kinkajous haunt the canopy at night, quiet climbers that live where daylight rarely reaches.
That tail is an anchor, turning thin branches into safe highways above the forest floor.
Fruit fuels the night shift. Kinkajous recycle energy through the canopy's hidden food web.
Tyras are the rainforest sprinters, fast, curious hunters that never stop moving.
Half ground, half canopy, Tyras climb to steal fruit, eggs and opportunities. Predator and forager Tyras spread seeds too, stitching food chains together. Coatis patrol in gangs, snouts down, tails up, vacuuming insects from the forest floor. That flexible snout is a detector, finding food where the ground looks empty. They climb to escape danger, switching layers of the rainforest like changing rooms. Red uakaris are unforgettable, their red faces shining like signals in the green canopy. In troops, they travel fast, reading branches like streets above the forest floor.
Powerful jaws crack tough fruit, unlocking food that many canopy animals can't use.
Vampire bats hide by day, small bodies, waiting for night to rewrite the forest's rules.
Wings like hands, membranes stretched over fingers, built for silent, precise flight.
Unlike most bats, it can hop on the ground, an eerie advantage in tight spaces.
Bullet ants look small until you see the power in each step and antenna sweep.
They patrol like soldiers, organized, relentless, and perfectly adapted to defend their world.
It doesn't need to strike its reputation alone, keeps many predators thinking twice.
The horned frog is leaf litter camouflage, an ambush predator that looks like debris.
Different colors, same trick. Stay still, blend in, then strike when prey comes close.
Mata-mata turtles look like dead leaves, and perfect camouflage for an ambush in muddy water.
It feeds by suction, and one quick gulp that pulls water and prey in instantly.
Even breathing stays hidden, just nostrils touching air, then back into the dark.
Caiman lizards look prehistoric armored climbers, built for life along Amazon waterways. Those jaws crush shells, unlocking food that softer mouths can't touch. It dives without panic tail power, turning river edges into safe escape routes.
Boas don't chase, they wait perfectly still until the forest delivers a mistake.
You can see the strength muscle waves moving under scales like a living engine.
On the ground, the pattern becomes camouflage. Leaf and snake, almost indistinguishable.
Freshwater stingrays vanish into sand, only eyes watching for danger or dinner.
They fly underwater wings, beating through river currents with silent control.
Each ray wears a unique pattern camouflage, written in spots and shadows.
Tambaki move through flooded forests, and fish that feed where trees become rivers.
When fruit falls, tambaki turn trees into food, linking forest canopy to river life. Their jaws crack seeds, river fish, acting like forest grinders. Goliath bird eaters are giants, slow, heavy, and built to rule the forest floor.
Every hair is sensory equipment, feeling vibrations before danger even arrives. At night, the floor belongs to hunters like this. Quiet steps, endless patience.
Hercules beetles wear horns like armor, rainforest heavyweights, scaled down to insect size.
It climbs with brute strength, hooks, and leverage in a world made of bark. When it flies, the rainforest hears it. Tiny wings carrying surprising weight.
Peacock bass explode from cover ambush hunters, built for fast, precise strikes.
Their colors shift with light patterns that vanish and reappear in moving water.
Territorial and alert, they patrol patches of river like guards on a silent border.
Oropendolas build hanging nests, entire colonies stitched into one living tree.
Each strand is engineering woven tight enough to sway in storms without tearing.
Their calls keep the colony synchronized, one tree humming with coordinated life.
Anhingas swim like shadows. Only a snake-like neck betrays the hunter below.
It hunts with a spear beak, one lightning jab that turns water into a trap.
Wings outstretched, it dries like a statue, an Amazon ritual after the hunt.